What's the relationship with your mother back then compared to now?
It was great. It was great. My mom was a loving mother. She loved us very much, and she paid attention to us. She don't let us go places that we should not go as girls, and she keep an eye on us, and she treat us well. My father died when he was about 40, so I didn't get much of him. But my mom stand with us like a mother and a father, and she give us everything that we need. And we didn't need have to look anywhere, envy anybody, want what anybody have. We just satisfied what we have, and we're happy. What did I give her? I would give her plenty hugs, and I would give her a nice hat for church because she loved to go to church. I would give her a nice church hat and nice shoes to match. Yes, and plenty of hugs. And I cook her dinner.